Good morning, everyone. Darren here from San Antonio Drones, San Antonio Park Flyers. Today we have a little treat. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Tower Hobbies Cherokee EP scale airplane. This is the receiver ready, so there shouldn't be much work to do. And I got this on sale. I believe it was $139 shipped after the $15 Tower Hobbies coupon. Here goes some of, we're going to zoom in. Here goes some of the specs for the airplane. 43-inch wingspan, 33 inches long. Like I said, we got the receiver ready, so comes with a rimfire 10, outrunner motor, 35 brushless ESC, servos, and everything's installed. So it's a pretty nice looking plane, and there shouldn't be much work to do. So this is the unboxing. Stay tuned. We're going to open this box and we'll check it out. Okay, we're back again. The box is now opened, and as you can see, everything is taped in and plastic in. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the tape, and we'll pull out the items and see what we have. Alright, so we got the first wing half. Let's go ahead and pop that out of the covering and see what it looks like. Sometimes great planes, wings, and covering needs to be re-ironed. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I don't see any wrinkles, I don't see anything. Got the servo installed, the place for the landing gear. Very well protected for shipping. Set that aside. Here goes the other wing half. And then on the back side, you got the manual with the decals. Let's go ahead and open this wing up. Wow, and this wing's beautiful also. No bubbles, no wrinkles. I don't think we're gonna have to do any covering work on this guy. I don't know why that doesn't have that piece of foam that other one does to protect it, but I don't see any damage or anything, so that looks good. And like I said, this is just the manual, and we got the decals. Very cool. Set those aside. Let's see here. Let's see what we got in this little box. Pull everything out. All right. Looks like we got the landing gear. Let's open it up. And that started slowly moving from the foam models to the balsa. I like how the balsa flies a little bit better than the foam and just seems to last a little longer. My foam models get a little hanger rash. But here's the landing gear. Wow, that's beautiful. Everything's already hooked up and installed. You got the wheels, the wing pants, the wheel pants, and then also the you insert those into the wings to fly. Beautiful. You got your prop, your little prop adapters, depending on what motor you choose. We'll see what fits the rimfire 10. In here you got your Velcro for your battery. Looks like you got a servo extension, some double-sided tape, and a couple pieces of balsa. I'm gonna figure that's probably the wing joiner. We'll check that out here in a minute. Got your spinner for your rimfire. Got a couple wing bolts and some miscellaneous screws. This looks like some kind of belly pan, so we'll check that out. Now on to the prize. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Again, a couple more pieces of tape. Gotta be careful so we don't damage anything. I'm going to turn the box real quick so I can be careful. Alright, let's open this guy up. Looks like we have the horizontal stabilizer and the elevator in this package. Again, very, very nice. Already pre-hinged. Got the clevis on there. Already cut the place where you're going to epoxy it to the plane. Again, no bubbles or wrinkles. Very nice. Let's trash out of here. Let's check out the horizontal stabilizer. I got a feeling it's going to be in the same condition. We'll check it out. Yes, very nice. Horizontal stabilizer, everything's already pre-hinged. Very nice. No wrinkles, no bubbles. That's going to be ready to go. Last in the box, it looks like we have the fuselage. So give me a second. Let me carefully remove this guy. This takes into the box really, really well. Not too bad at all, not too bad at all. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic and see what we're working with. So far, I'm really pleased. Great Plains did an excellent packing job in putting this model together. Let's open it up. And there it is. Wow, that's beautiful. Front landing gear already hooked up. Servo's already in there. Looking inside, it does have the rimfire 10. Prop adapter already in there. Servos installed. Push rods installed. It's going to take very minimal work to get this guy flying. Let's go ahead and pop this hatch. Maybe. Alright, I don't want to break that, so I'm going to figure out how to open that, then I'll get back to you guys. But overall, very, very nice kit. Again, no bubbles or anything on the plane. Let's get a couple close-up shots. Again, very beautiful job on the covering. Beautiful. A close-up of the inside. Sorry again about the lighting. That's a beautiful, beautiful job.